Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into 3D design, mechanical engineering, or product modeling, you've probably used or at least heard of Autodesk Fusion 360. It's an incredible tool, but it also demands a capable laptop. And today, we're talking about the best laptops for Fusion 360 in 2025, based on real performance, value, and reliability. All the laptops I'll mention are featured on engineeringlaptops.com, a site that helps engineering students and professionals find the perfect laptop for their work. So, why is Fusion 360 different from other design tools? Unlike SolidWorks or CATIA, Fusion 360 combines CAD, CAM, and simulation all in one platform. That means your laptop needs to handle 3D modeling, rendering, and even toolpath generation for manufacturing. In short, you need strong CPU performance, a decent GPU, and enough RAM to keep everything smooth. And that's exactly what engineeringlaptops.com focuses on, explaining what kind of hardware really matters for Fusion 360 and which laptops are actually worth buying in 2025. Now, a lot of people think you need a super expensive workstation for Fusion 360, but that's not really true. On engineeringlaptops.com, you'll find a list that covers all budgets, from affordable laptops for students to powerful machines for professionals. If you're just starting out with Fusion 360, a laptop with an Intel Core i7 or Ryzen 7 and 16 gigabytes of RAM will do great. But if you're working with complex assemblies, simulations, or high-quality renders, then you'll want something with an RTX GPU, like the RTX 4060 or 4070. And the nice part is, the website explains why each laptop was chosen, not just listing specs, but actually showing how they perform in real Fusion 360 projects. What I really like about engineeringlaptops.com is that it's written by people who actually understand engineering software. It's not one of those generic top 10 laptops lists you see everywhere. Each review focuses on how the laptop performs in real design and modeling tasks, things like rendering speed, thermal performance, and overall workflow experience. So if you're an engineering student, a product designer, or a mechanical engineer, the guide really helps you pick a machine that won't slow you down. Since the list is updated for 2025, you'll find all the latest models, with Intel's 14th gen processors, AMD Ryzen 8000 series, and the newest NVIDIA GPUs. There's also clear advice on choosing between gaming laptops and workstation laptops, depending on the kind of work you do. So whether you're designing mechanical parts, simulating stress analysis, or creating your next prototype, you'll find a laptop that fits both your needs and your budget. If you want to find the best laptops for Fusion 360 in 2025, definitely check out engineeringlaptops.com. You'll get clear, honest recommendations and real-world advice that actually makes sense for engineers. I'll leave the link down below. Go take a look and make sure your next laptop is ready to handle anything Fusion 360 throws at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.